Hi, my name is Stephen Nguyen. Today we'll be talking about how violent video games affect the human mind. Today we'll be talking about three subtopics: behavior, what the games I've been playing, and also what I think about how video games really affect the human mind. I would also like to point out, instead of looking at research and statistics, I would like to have my point of view as a gamer of how violent video games affect the human mind. The first subtopic we'll be talking about is behavior. Right now I'm going to show you a skit of what I think is the total opposite of how violent video games affect a person.
Doc, I'm down!
That's it. The second subtopic we'll be talking about is what violent video games have I been playing, which is Call of Duty, which is the most I've been playing for the past 10 years. And it seems so it has not affected me negatively. Hey! Give me your wallet.
The final subtopic is, what do I really think of how violent video games affect a person? I personally believe the majority of gamers won't be influenced negatively, but there are always these other alternative games that we can play.